Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. We have been working on the Delish Loves Disney cookbook. We're about a third of the way through, and we're actually going to step away for a couple of weeks, and then we're going to do some seasonal stuff in October, November, and December. Some seasonal Disney and other holiday theme park recipes. Today what we're going to work on is we're going to do the Chef Mickey's breakfast pizza from Chef Mickey's. We're starting off with a Boboli pre-bought pizza crust. You can use Boboli, you can make your own, you could buy store-bought pizza dough and spread that, whatever works easiest for you. For my purposes for this recipe, this is going to be a good base for it, so we're just going to go with it. So we're going to start off by getting our eggs in our bowl. We're going to give them just a quick little scramble. Then we're going to add in some heavy cream. I also should mention that I have my oven preheated behind me to 375 degrees. Don't want to forget that part. We're going to whisk in the heavy cream into the eggs. The recipe just says salt and pepper to taste, so I'm just going to put a couple grinds of fresh pepper in. A little bit of salt. I'm not going to go real crazy with the salt because we've got a lot of bacon and cheese going on in here, and both of those things have salt in them as well. We're going to whisk this in. We're going to add in cheddar cheese, provolone. It's supposed to be shredded provolone. I could not find shredded provolone anywhere, so I bought thin sliced provolone, and then I just kind of went through with a knife and cut it thin and then separated it and kind of made it like shredded provolone. Mozzarella, and of course bacon. I'm going to get that in there. The bacon is already pre-cooked. I will put a link in with a little extra pixie dust showing you how I prepared the bacon for this recipe. We're just going to mix all of this together. We want to get it nice and mixed up. We want the egg and cream mixture to coat all of the cheese and bacon. So as we mix this, that's looking pretty good. We are going to then just take this mixture and we're going to put it right onto our pizza crust. What I like about this recipe that I have not made before but read is it seems pretty easy and straightforward, and this seems like a recipe you actually could prepare in the morning for an actual breakfast. Some of the breakfast recipes seem like a lot of work, and I'm not sure who has that much time in the morning to put together some of those recipes. We're just going to take this mixture. I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to leave a little bit of room around the sides for a crust. And we're just going to try to get it nice and even. A nice distribution of cheese. The recipe says we're going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes until the eggs are set and the cheese is golden brown. So we're going to take this, we're going to pop it into the oven. And we're going to close that up. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes to check on it. And then I'm going to meet you back here in 10 to 12 minutes when it's ready to come out, and we'll see how it looks. See you soon. Welcome back. The timer on the oven has gone off. I took a little peek. It looks like it's ready, so let's get in there together and let's pull it out. I think that looks like perfection. Got lots of nice brown cheese. Put this right here while I shut the oven. The bacon is all crisp. The crust looks delicious. I'm gonna move this back over onto our table. And there you have it, the Chef Mickey's breakfast table. Breakfast pizza, wow, it's on the table. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe so you can see more. And other than that, until next time.